Hi, my name's Andrew. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to review a fundraising investor database case study in the big data sector. If you watch my previous videos, you know that you can click my Fiverr link below to get information on investor databases for venture capital, private equity, angel groups, and more. I also help clients with pitch deck reviews. If you're getting ready to send your pitch deck out to investors, I have a service on Fiverr where I will review it. Approximately 80% of the pitch decks that I receive are not suitable to send out to investors. So this video highlights a comprehensive database of big data investors I recently created for a UK-based client. So what is this client looking for? This client is looking for $1 million, and it is in the big data sector. They're looking at the UK and the USA for targets for their fundraising, and the database source that I've selected for them includes big data and information technology, and they would like to end up with about 250 contacts. So how do I find these contacts? I have a master database of 400,000 contacts, and that includes new contacts just added as we sit here in August of 2023. That includes a very extensive database of venture capital, private equity, angel investors, family investment offices, hedge funds, and more. And it also includes a very large database of high net worth and ultra high net worth individual investors. So what did the final database include? I was able to find 250 contacts. For them included 75 emails, 75 LinkedIn addresses, and 250 websites. So in total, I was able to find them 250 companies that they can approach. So what type of contacts will benefit from a big data investors database? Well, tech startups, innovators in data analytics, machine learning, and data visualization, e-commerce platforms, businesses leveraging user data for personalized marketing and operations optimization, healthcare providers, entities using big data for patient analytics and predictive modeling, financial institutions as well are also big users of big data, firms seeking analytics for risk assessment, fraud detection, and customer insights. I previously have worked for a client that was using it for that particular purpose. Supply chain and logistics, that includes companies using big data for demand prediction and inventory management, and IoT developers, creators of devices generating vast data and requiring analytics for insights. Now this database also includes a little bit in the information technology sector. So let's take a look at the database. So all my database searches start on this dashboard, and as you can see here I have 252,000 contacts, and again that's venture capital, private equity, hedge funds, family investment offices, and investment banks, everything that has to do with raising capital. And it is an updated database that has not only emails but LinkedIn's in some cases. And for example, if I were to start off with just a simple search of tech and not hit any country or city, then I'm going to come up with 4,455 contacts. If I wanted to narrow that down a bit, for example, let's say somebody was specifically looking for New York as the city, then I would have 217 contacts to take a look at in that case, and then I would simply go here, take a look at the see results, and I could export the search results onto an Excel spreadsheet. So that's how I start off with all my searches for my clients. So now we're over on the database portion, and as you can see on this spreadsheet, if I scroll down here, there are around 250 contacts for this search. Now this included only big data and information technology as the main keywords. If I were to have searched in tech, that would have broadened the list into a few thousand as opposed to a few hundred. But in these cases, these clients want to take a look at the direct and a very targeted approach, and I usually will supply them with a supplemental database including a broader tech sector, but this at least starts them off in the exact targets and sectors that they want. So again, this is a global database. Most of these are in the UK and the USA, which is what they're looking for, and of course there's a fair bit in Europe as well. These are mostly going to be venture capital, private equity. There are a few in the fund category as well, but this will at least give the firm a head start with their search. It has all the websites. It has a few LinkedIns, a few emails. The majority of these contacts, when you go to their website, will have usually 2 to 3 other parties that can be contacted via LinkedIn. That tends to be a very common practice now for venture capital, private equity groups, is rather than having an email contact, they prefer to be contacted by LinkedIn. And again, it includes the sectors, and in most cases there's going to be a fair bit of a description for these. So this is the initial database search for the client looking for big data in the UK. Are you looking for updated investor databases? My databases include venture capital, private equity, family offices, angel investors, angel groups, and high net worth investors with over 400,000 verified global contacts. And be sure to check out my full database of family investment offices, the perfect way to access ultra high net worth investors. This is the largest database of family investment offices that you're able to access. There's over 10,000 contacts. Click my Fiverr link below for more information. Thank you for watching this video.